Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Binance account. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store. And in here, we're going to find Binance, of course. Binance. Tap on Binance and just tap on install right here. Okay. Once that's installed, just go ahead and tap on open. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, what you got to do is just tap on sign up and log in right here. Tap on it. And in here, what you got to do is just go ahead and tap on create a Binance account. So tap, and in here, you can go ahead and enter your own email or phone number. Okay. And do take note, if you want to use your phone number, make sure that you type down without the country code. Okay. And just tap on this checkbox, then hit on continue. Now, if you want to use your Google account or Gmail, well, you can just go ahead and tap on continue with Google right here. Select one of your accounts. And then the next page, it will ask you to enter a password, okay? So just go ahead and create a secure password, at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, and 1 number. And then after that, just tap on next. All right, wait for it to load. And once it loads, you'll be greeted to verify your Binance account. So we have a separate video on how to verify your Binance account. If you want to follow that, go ahead and look it up on our channel, and I'll see you there. Okay, but that's it for now. That's how easy it is to create a Binance account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.